when we talk about integration of knowledge, we are talking about reintegration of wahi into epistemology. Now, ilm naqli is revealed knowledge, which is transmitted, and its two sources are Quran and Sunnah. Ilm aqli, this is rational knowledge, is based on either human intellect or human observation, experimentation. In either case, when you experiment or you observe, you use ration, you use your reasoning to understand what you are doing. That is why I use the word ilm aqli to refer to all human knowledge and not to refer only to rational knowledge. All human knowledge, I use the word aqli, ilm aqli, which includes ilm tajribi, empirical knowledge, and also includes knowledge that is inductive, deductive, or logical. So I combine all of them into one phenomenon. Now, there's no contradiction between ilm naqli and ilm aqli. We have already seen this proved by Imam Ibn Taymiyyah. But sometimes someone may see a contradiction. I want to say that's apparent. It's not real. If you see a contradiction, either the empirical observation is not correct, or the human intellectual deficiency in understanding ilm naqli. You may misunderstand Quran and think that it contradicts a scientific fact. So any apparent contradiction is due to a mistake. There is no essential contradiction. Now, but then, when we have got a practical problem, what source of knowledge do we use? This is the issue. Ilm naqli is used in matters of ethics and morality. When the issue has to do with ethics and morality, we use only ilm naqli, Quran and Sunnah. There is no way you can experiment to prove something moral or ethical. So ethical and moral judgments are from ilm naqli. Ilm aqli is used to solve problems of an empirical nature. You want to improve agriculture in Sindh, you experiment with various seeds. You do not look for ilm naqli in that, because that's something purely empirical. But empirical knowledge, ilm aqli, requires ilm naqli, and this is the problem. Science and technology require Quran and Sunnah to provide fundamental concepts, without which science and technology will not develop well or properly. The first is objectivity, al-istiqama, following the truth and not being swayed by our whims. Al-istiqama is objectivity. Okay? Ihdina as-sirat al-mustaqim. So we need to do science and technology based on evidence, objectivity and istiqama. When you look around, actually, in a lot of today's research, there is a lot of lack of objectivity. You could find it in the social sciences. You could find it in the even natural sciences, because of biases that exist in the scientists. So Islam says all work must be objective. The second thing that ilm naqli provides to ilm aqli is ethics, akhlaq. Whatever we do in medicine, in economics, we must follow akhlaq. A lot of our economies now in developing countries are being destroyed because there is no ethics, no akhlaq. And therefore, we do a lot of things, but in the end, we end up with loss, poverty, and disruption. The other thing that ilm naqli provides is purposiveness, al-gha'iyya. This world is not abath. Allah did not create this world with no purpose. The problem is that modern science and technology, it's like there is no objective. things just keep on developing. We get new technologies, new ideas, new products. And where are we going? If you ask, where are we going? Maybe the people producing those things cannot answer that question. Al-Gha'iyya. So ilm naqli provides purpose to human life. Once the purpose is defined, you will develop your technology in ways that are compatible with the purpose, which is the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.